What it do? Cake Life Squad. Let me take this mask off, y'all. I'm actually in the airport right now. I couldn't start from the car. It's just very busy in the airport right now. I don't know what's going on. Or I know it's before the holidays, so a lot of people traveling. So I had to start it once I made it to my gates. I am at my gates now. So guys, like I told you guys in a couple videos before, I'm actually going to Tulsa, Oklahoma today to visit Pastor Michael Todd, Transformation Church, and he's the lead pastor there. Yeah, so I'm very excited about that. I know I've been broadcasting his book everywhere to you guys, but I'm gonna just show you again in case you wasn't able to catch it. But yeah, so this is Pastor Michael Todd. This is his book called Crazy Faith. Right now he's in the series called Crazy of Faith, and man, tomorrow is actually his annual offering. So I'm going out there to be a part of that. I just want to be in that gathering. I just want to be in that atmosphere. So my homeboy is supposed to came, my brother, my twin, but unfortunately some things happened to him a couple days ago, so he wasn't able to be here with me. But I ain't gonna hold y'all. The devil tried to, the devil had me contemplating whether or not I wanted to come. But I was like, you know what? I gotta go. I need to be in that presence. I need to be in that house. I need to be in that room. I need to feel that. So I'm going, y'all, and I'm very excited. So I'm gonna definitely bring y'all along on a journey. Y'all already know what time it is. Hey, if you're new to my channel, my name is Kay. You have walked into my life. Thank you for being here. If you're feeling the video, y'all gotta go ahead and hit me with a like. Gotta hit me with a sub to be a part of the squad, and leave a comment so I know you came through, man. Y'all already know what time it is. We about to get on this plane in about 15 minutes. So I'll be back to get on the plane, man. Thank y'all for being here and coming on this journey with me for y'all. See you next clip.
She's like, I just have
To the church. Yeah, I'm going to visit a church.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. Are you familiar with Tulsa?
No.
Okay.
I don't even know if I've ever been to Oklahoma.
Okay. Yeah, this is my first time as well.
Is it?
Yeah, never been.
I know that's where Garth Brooks is from.
Okay.
And maybe Blake Shelton. A bunch of country music singers.
Got you.
You probably don't know who they are.
I don't. But it's good to learn. So
Yeah, that's right.
So it seems like our plane is having weight issue, guys. So we sit here. Hopefully I make it to St. Louis in time to get on my next flight. He said our connections was good, so it got to be straight. So we still waiting, man. So once I make it to St. Louis, I will definitely check back in with you guys to let y'all know how that went and how this goes.
But please remove that face covering before donning that yellow oxygen mask. That is it for the do's and don'ts. Please do the do's, don't do the don'ts. We'll all have a good 1 hour, 19-minute ride up to St. Louis. In just a few moments, I will dim the cabin lights for departure. There's a reading light in the unit above your seat. Back to left.
It's now takeoff time, guys. About to take it up. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. We on front row. We finally about to leave, guys. So yeah, it's time now. St. Louis, we are on our way, man.
We're gonna see you soon.
Oh yeah.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, Southwest Airlines would like to be the first to welcome you to St. Louis. Please stay seated with your seatbelts securely fastened until the captain parks the aircraft at the gate and turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. At that time, please be careful and open.
Next stop, guys, I just made it to St. Louis Airport. First time here. Pretty straightforward airport. Tulsa up next. What it do, gang? I have made it to Tulsa, Oklahoma. Okay. I ain't never been through no doors like that. Okay. Just arrived to their airport. I hope I'm going the right way. I gotta go grab my bags as soon as I find where the bags at. Let's see. So yeah, guys.
Make a left turn.
So guys, right now I'm in an Uber on my way to the store. About to grab a couple things really quick. So I'll be good in my room for the night. So till I get back to the room. So guys, I just made it to my room. About to check in. It's about 1 something, almost 2 o'clock. So yeah, pool out there. Kind of excited to be in my room now. I'm kind of tired. I was up early and yesterday was a long day. So about to do a quick little room tour. Luggage, gang. As I told y'all before, my homeboy was supposed to come, so too bad got me. So I'm gonna end this vlog right here, guys. Thank you guys for traveling along with me. St. Louis, I'm sorry, from Atlanta to St. Louis to Tulsa, Oklahoma. About to see, now I'm about to take a nap. I ain't even finna hold you. Then once I get up, we'll see what Tulsa got to offer. But y'all already know what y'all gotta do. Hit me with a like if you're feeling this video. Definitely hit me with a sub to be a part of the squad. To leave a comment so I know you came through, man. K-Like Squad, y'all already know how I'm coming about. Y'all love y'all. Till next video. We out.